Hello everyone. Today we are going to download BitShares client or build one in Ubuntu. So now we can see I'm using the Linux, the version. So I'm using Ubuntu Linux 15.04. So now let's firstly try to download the BitShares client. So to simplify this step, I have written a script, so you can download it here. So now using this script, we can easily detect the latest version of BitShares client, and it will automatically download the BitShares client from official GitHub. So okay, so now we can run this script to download BitShares client, or we can examine it before running it. So here we can see this is the script. It will firstly detect the latest version number of BitShares client, and then it will try to delete the older version in this folder, and then it will download the latest version of BitShares client. Virtually it will download all versions for every OS by default, but you can disable them and only download the version you want. So you can comment them out and only leave the BTS Linux version. So then we can run this script. So then we can run this script in this way. Okay, so we can see it detected the latest version is 09.2, and it has already downloaded the files provided by the GitHub. So then we can use the tar to extract this file. Okay. We can use this command to extract this compressed file. So we can see it has already created a folder and put all the extracted files in it. So then we can enter it. So we can see many files here, and this one, the BitShares, is the GUI client we want, and the BitShares client is the command line only version. So to execute the GUI BitShares client, we can execute it in this way. Okay, so now the client has been started. You can see it is exactly the same thing in Ubuntu, in Windows, or in Mac OS 10. So now you can use the BitShares client in this way under Ubuntu. So let's quit this wallet. And sometimes you will get the memory segmentation fault core dumped info, but don't worry, your wallet is still safe. Okay, so now we already have a script that can detect the latest version of BitShares client and automatically delete the older versions and download the latest version. So we can automatically run this script. So then we can always have the latest client when we open our computer. So to do this, we can use the Chrome tab built in every Linux. So to use the Chrome tab, we have to use this command. So now, to understand how to use this Chrome tab, we have to understand that it only asks you to enter in its format. So the first parameter is the minute, and the second one is the hour, and the third one is the day of month, and then month, and then day of week. So for example, if I want to run the download script in the first minute of every hour of every day, then we can enter like this. And then we have to enter the command we want to execute. And then we save this file and exit. So now the system will automatically run this script and fetch the latest BitShares client for you. Okay, so then the second part is how to build one under Ubuntu. So the building process used to be very complex before, but then thanks to Waku, one of the BitShares forum member, it has created a series of tools called BTS tools, and its website is here. So then, using this tool, we can easily build the command line and the GUI version of BitShares client under Linux. So let's now to use his toolkit. So the first step is to install all the packages required for build the BitShares client and use these BTS tools. So we have to use this command here. So after the packages has been installed, now we can use this command as root. Remember that you have to run this command as root. So we have to firstly use the su command and then execute this command to install BTS tools. Okay, so now after the BTS tools has been installed, now we use exit. So then we can use the BTS command inside BTS tools to build a command line version or GUI version of BitShares. So firstly, to build the command line version of BTS, we can use this command. So now we can see every step that you have to manually enter before it's now automatically executed by this script. So now the building process is completed. So now let's try how to build the GUI version. So it is the same thing. You just have to execute this command to build the GUI version. So to build the GUI version of BitShares client, you can just run this command. Okay, so now the building process has been completed, and it is still very simple. So now to run BitShares client using the files we have just built, you can just run this command. Okay, so now we have just run the GUI version of BitShares client using the files we have just built.